This is how to make the holiday cake butter. This butter seals in moisture, promotes growth, and adds shine to the curls. Here's the formula that I made. So first, for a big batch of about 4 ounces, weigh out 1,164 grams of grapeseed oil. Now this formula is adjustable. Let's say you only wanted to make a batch of 10, you can apply the formula and make a smaller batch. So once you have your grapeseed oil weighed out, add about 1 tablespoon of BHRINGRAJ powder to the oils. These ayurvedic powders that I'm adding are what's really gonna add those growth properties to the holiday butter. Then you're gonna wanna add some FENUGREEK powder, about a tablespoon of that, and then about a tablespoon of AMLA powder. And the AMLA powder also adds those softening effects to your curls. So stir in the ayurvedic powders, cover the grapeseed oil, and let it infuse for about 24 hours. Next up, you want to weigh out about 848 grams of shea butter. After you weigh out the shea butter, weigh out 242.5 grams of cocoa butter and 121.25 grams of cetyl alcohol. Now this isn't to be confused with isopropyl alcohol, which dries the hair. This alcohol helps to soften the curls and add shine into them. Add in your infused grapeseed oil, then let it solidify in the fridge. Once it solidifies in the fridge, add in your scent, then begin to whisk it until you have your desired fluffy consistency. Here's the consistency that I love. Super fluffy, rich, and just softening. I love this fluffy consistency. So after, you're gonna wanna just place it in a jar for storage, about a 4-ounce jar. And here is the final product. You can even add some dried rose petals to the top to make it look even more beautiful, and also add a hint of that rose smell. If you're interested in getting this butter, I have 26 available on my website, jccurls.com. And once it's out, so make sure to get your hands on yours.